Another One production. All these years, it was you and I. But you don't care. I'm looking back, shattered feelings everywhere, but you don't care. Please stay in the past. Yeah. You told me that what I see is only a dream, so I do everything I can to revisit these old scenes. Rewind this tape, restream that has been recorded into my memories. I hope it corrupt, abrupt, explode to me for being someone that is as high as 1080p. Forget my needs, I'm special. You told me that, let me sacrifice myself so you can have everything else. It's on me, you really didn't want to be. I see you mentally, no hesitation, mixed with feelings next quick. Blink of an eye, it's over. I'm nothing but the net. Wi-Fi just got dunked on, I just wanted it all over with, even if it means going on without you. So I will live, continue as long as you are. You ask me what is life, I wanna quit. Then again, here we are, interacting, so it seems another game. Player 1, player 2, triangle, now there are 3. So I should leave, but you keep on holding on. I'm chained by the feet. Shattered feelings everywhere. It was you and I, but you don't care. Where was the truth in all these years? I'm looking back, please stay in my past. I am tired of having to apologize for things I didn't do. You make it seem like I was the villain standing in front of you. It took you a second to choose. Happiness isn't money, that is why you did what you had to do. I left, headed up north, straight for the igloo. Say goodbye to my unborn child, I still cannot believe you. All this time I thought it was me, my fault, I believed it to be true all along. I blame myself and truth was it was you. I was still not in my right mind, making decisions before understanding the wrongs we done at the same time. He put you in front of me as a test to determine if I was ready, willing to be around each other as confetti. Truth is, it was messy. No relationship is ever perfect, but it was perfection when it was just you and me. I'm writing this because the thoughts still run through my head on a daily, hoping you move on away from you. It may sound so cruel, I hope we can forgive each other for the shit we put ourselves through. I know it hasn't been easy on either of us, but wherever you are, I hope you the best of luck. I hope you find love. Hope that maybe one day, one of these days, I can forgive myself and move on. Be able to stand up. I'm climbing up so high. Truth is, I'm falling. Is this really love?